Welcome to a hidden paradise, where the river meets the sea and nature sings in every direction. This is Kadalundi Bird Sanctuary, nestled in the serene wetlands of Kerala's Malabar coast. A haven for over 100 species of native birds, and a seasonal home to more than 60 migratory species. From as far as Siberia, the Himalayas, and Europe. And there's no better way to explore this natural marvel than by boat. As you glide along the gentle waters of the Kadalundi River, you're transported into a world untouched by time. Lush mangroves sway in the breeze, and the air is filled with the calls of kingfishers, egrets, and herons. Keep an eye out. The sanctuary isn't just for birds. You might spot crabs crawling along the mudflats, or even catch a glimpse of the elusive river dolphins. At Kadalundi, every boat ride is a journey into silence, into nature, into wonder. Come, sit back, breathe, and let the river show you the soul of Kadalundi. Kadalundi Bird Sanctuary